7 amazing egg tricks that you won't believe are magically effective. Welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. Eggs are a familiar ingredient in most households. But if you only see eggs as a regular nutritious food, you're probably missing out on a lot of incredibly useful tips. Today, I'll share with you 7 interesting and very practical tips that you can apply right at home. And especially, don't miss tips number 5 and 7. These 2 secrets might completely change how you've been using eggs all along. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This method uses more oil, but the finished product will be much crispier and fluffier than a regular fried egg. Start with a cool pan. Lightly grease the pan with butter. And add a pinch of salt. Carefully crack the egg, separating the white from the yolk. Spread the egg white evenly across the pan. Then gently place the yolk in the center. Cook over low heat. This method ensures the egg white cooks thoroughly while the yolk remains runny without burning or creating an unpleasant hard crust underneath. Look at the finished product. The runny yolk is appealing just as we love. It has a pleasant light golden brown color. There's no hard crust, and the egg white, with just a light touch of a fork, separates easily. Method 2. Boiled eggs. Take 2 small chicken eggs and wash the shells. Place them in a bowl and pour boiling water over them until they are completely submerged. When finished, take the eggs out and crack them into a bowl. Soak for about 4 minutes to allow the heat to penetrate. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then drain the water, add fresh boiling water, and soak for another 4 minutes. Add chopped green onions, a little ground pepper, and a few drops of soy sauce, and it's ready to serve. This egg dish has a unique, soft, and light texture and is loved by many. Method 3. Fried eggs with less oil. Traditional fried eggs. Use a nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Crack the eggs into the pan and let them cook slowly. When cooked, the egg whites will be slightly firm and the yolks will be a little thicker. This dish is perfect with bread for breakfast. This frying method is so popular that the image of a fried egg has even become an emoji on phones. Method 4. Crispy and fluffy. Deep fried eggs. If you want to try a different flavor, add more oil to the pan and heat it up. Crack the eggs into the pan. While frying, use a spoon to ladle hot oil over the eggs so that the top cooks evenly. When the eggs are golden brown, remove them and drain the oil. This method uses more oil, but the finished product will be much crispier and fluffier than a regular fried egg. Method 5. If your eggs crack, I have another way to handle it: steaming them instead of boiling them directly in the pot, which can cause the whites and yolks to leak. You just need to use a strainer you already have in your kitchen. Prepare a pot of water and bring it to a gentle boil. Place a sturdy stainless steel strainer over the mouth of the pot so that it stands firmly. Place the eggs in the strainer and steam them. Thanks to the strainer's support, the eggs don't come into direct contact with the boiling water, minimizing the risk of leakage. The hot steam surrounds the eggs, gently cooking them, similar to poaching, helping them maintain their beautiful shape and smooth texture. Steaming time is about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on whether you want soft-boiled or fully cooked eggs. This way, you can utilize cracked eggs and still have delicious soft eggs without any waste. Method 6. I'll show you how to reheat them later. If you want to boil many eggs at once without creating a swirl, you can still do it. Just gently drop each egg into the water, maintaining the same depth and temperature as before. You can gently stir the eggs with a spoon to create a round shape if desired. After 3 minutes, carefully remove the eggs using a slotted spoon. Now that you have beautifully boiled eggs, simply arrange them on a plate for a delicious, visually appealing, and nutritious dish. The boiled eggs are almost perfectly smooth. With a light touch, the golden yolk flows out, blending with the soft, sweet mushrooms underneath. The rich, fragrant flavor spreads with each bite, warm and perfectly balanced, making the meal truly irresistible. Method 7. When the time is up, open the lid. The eggs will have a pleasant aroma and no fishy smell. However, if you peel them immediately, they will be very hot and difficult to handle. And you shouldn't eat eggs while they are still too hot. Don't peel them right away. Now, prepare a bowl of cold water. While the eggs are still hot, immediately put them in the cold water. the cold water will help the eggs cool down very quickly and make them easier to peel. When hot eggs are placed in cold water, the proteins inside will contract slightly, creating a small gap between the egg white and the shell. This helps the shell peel off more easily. Now, peel the egg. Use the back of a knife or spoon to gently tap around the shell. Now, peel the egg. Use the back of a knife or spoon to gently tap around the shell. As you can see, the shell peels off very quickly and easily, with almost no egg white sticking to the shell. The peeled egg looks very nice. The egg white is intact, soft, smooth, and slightly elastic. You can also do the same by gently tapping and peeling along the length of the egg. The shell will peel off very easily. Additionally, you shouldn't eat eggs at the same time as too much soy, as this combination can reduce the absorption of nutrients from both foods. Now cut the egg in half to see the yolk inside. You can see the yolk is a beautiful yellow color, evenly cooked, not dark and not dry at all. Whether it's a light breakfast or a simple afternoon tea, a plate of boiled eggs like this is very satisfying and pleasant. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Breakfast with eggs is quick, convenient, and very nutritious. If you want to boil eggs that are delicious, soft, and easy to peel like this, try the method I just shared. You certainly won't be disappointed. It's great to be connected with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so everyone can have more interesting kitchen tips. In the next video, I will show you how to make fluffy scrambled eggs with Coca-Cola. A delicious and unique recipe. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next tips.